A public apology is a necessary step in recovering from a public relations crisis and can be a very hard thing to do. My name is Max Dahlquist, and today we'll be analyzing a video made by United as a response to the backlash the company received after not initially issuing a respectable apology. Oscar Munoz, CEO of United, is seen here in front of the camera. He nods his head slightly and constantly as he speaks. His eyebrows raise up and down, and he shakes his head constantly as well. Even though the apology was issued way too late and only in response to public backlash, his body language is actually pretty good. It does, however, look as if he is reading from a script due to his eyes moving back and forth like he is reading. This apology was made way too late, and while it seems sincere, the public reacted poorly to it, as it was only made as a response to poor public backlash. Overall, Munoz's body language is actually okay in the eyes of does it look sincere. But the problem with this video is that it was issued way too late and had poor public backlash. Thank you for watching.